Welcome to Bigly Sales. Our mission is to give small businesses the same tools global brands are using. Welcome to part 2 of sending an email blast. Let's add your logo. Drag your logo into the gray box that's titled Upload Your Logo and click anywhere on the gray box to browse your files. You can also link your logo to any web page by adding the link on the box below. When you're done, click Next. Now let's create a subject for this email campaign. Add a subject line to the box titled Email Subject. This subject cannot be deceptive. We will discuss in greater detail in our best practice video. Please check our YouTube channel for updates. Next, add your physical address. This is very important. You must add your physical address to be compliant with U.S. federal CAN spam laws. Add your email signature. This box is free form. You can put your name, company name, slogan, phone number, cell phone, title, etc. These are the fields we recommend. And last, you can add your social media accounts: Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter. Go to your social media and copy the URL onto those boxes to create a link. It's as easy as that. Thanks for watching Bigly Sales Tutorials. In the next video, we will show you how to complete your email campaign. See you next time!